You're not given any cables to charge the unit, but on the back of the unit's USB-A, a supplied cable that simply plugs into the unit. Plug it in, 188, 86%. It will flicker through the camera, so please forgive that. When it's fully charged, you take it out and you place back in the cable by the little snap point here and here. This is a 10,000 slim line milliamp power bank. It's got a USB-C on the top, a micro cable, a USB-C cable, and a lightning cable, which I am pointing to charge your phone. You can charge 1, 2, or many devices at one given time. The unit comes with a nice carrying bag. It fits in there, has 2 handles to close. Let me read you from the manual. USB 1 and 2 are 5 volts, 3 amps. The C is 3 amps as well. The micro USB cable output is 2.4 amps. It's also beyond the back. And USB-C is 2.4 and the Lightning's 2.4 amps. I have a lot on the table. The power bank is taking care of everything. The more you plug in, the more the unit's going to wear down. I have a wireless mic system, USB-C to C cable, and the supplied cable charging. I have my smartphone. It's charging. I have a battery for a quadcopter. It's charging. I have here is a cable that controls 3 different outlets and is charging my AirPods and my camera. I have the supply cable as well and is charging a power bank. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things charging at one time. The unit turnaround is at 84%, a 10,000 milliamp power bank. When all completed, there are little pins here that you simply push in. And you snap in the heads to this area, and it is an awesome power bank. So if you need to charge your phone, you simply just take this like so, once again, plug it in, and you can take the power bank and you could place it like so and do your work without any cables really getting in your way. Read up on the instructions and online how long, how many times you're allowed to charge your unit. If you like to do long time lapses with your camera without a battery, you can do so. And that is only good for the top USB-C output that throws over 2.4 amps. There are many uses for this power bank, and I hope you could find a great use for yours. I hope you enjoy your power bank, something that's very compact, slim, and lightweight that will do the job for many needs of your products. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.